This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Podcast and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Here are 10 quick notes. Some of these are about speaking things coming up. Some of them are about business news. We hope you enjoy this, and always happy to talk to anybody. We're at 773-766-5322. We're also thrilled to add two new sponsored podcasts to the Becker Business Podcast. Michael Weiss, thank you so much, a brilliant lawyer and long-term colleague. And then also Travis Guerra, brilliant person in the search business, just a fantastic person. So thank you both for joining the Becker Business, Becker Private Equity Podcast this month. Thank you very, very much. So first, the markets were down yesterday. They point down today. A little bit of the air is being taken out of the tech bubble. We'll see how that goes. Second, Peloton and Palantir both were down significantly. Palantir has had 5 down days in a row. Peloton is down year to date. Let's hope the wheels aren't coming off at Peloton. A notorious short seller is also shorting Palantir. Try and say that 5 times quickly. A notorious short seller is shorting Palantir. I won't do it, but that's hard to say, let alone say it 5 times in a row. Third, Premier and Intel are on the rise. Premier had its best quarter of revenues and earnings in a long time. Intel is bringing in an outside investor, SoftBank. They seem to be on the rise too. We'll see how it goes. Fourth, I'm very excited to speak healthcare and ASC trends at the Georgia State ASC meeting this Thursday in Atlanta. Thank you very much. I'm also thrilled to give a similar talk at the Becker's Healthcare ASC conference in October on healthcare and ASC trends. Again, text me anytime, 773-766-5322 to talk about that. Fifth, I'm thrilled to record podcast at the McGuire Woods Growth and Operations Conference in Charlotte, September 17th. The conference is September 16th and 17th. Again, reach me for information about the conference. We'd love you to join. Sixth, we had the chance to talk leadership today on the Becker's Private Equity and Business Podcast with McGuire Woods legends Hallie Buckley and David Pivnik. Great leaders. Seventh, thanks to Ginny Egizio and Jessica Cole and team, I'll be able to moderate 8 sessions over 2 days at the Becker's Healthcare Health IT, Digital Health, and Revenue Cycle Management Conference. So also thrilled yesterday to interview Nick Warfield of Ziegler on revenue cycle trends. Just brilliant. And then in terms of AI and revenue cycle, the godfather of AI and revenue cycle is really Akasa and their co-founders, Malika Waliade and Benjamin Beadle Ribby, fantastic leaders and people. Eighth, we're working on our next Founders, Leaders, and Investors Commercial Real Estate webinar. We're always looking at new ideas for our founders, leaders, and investors, series. If you have ideas, please, again, text Scott Becker, 773-766-5322. Ninth, in our Health IT conference, we're thrilled to add a panel from the Founders, Leaders, and Investors series. We'll have Steve Klasko from General Catalyst, Venkat Mokurla, founder of Midstream, former Andreessen Horowitz, Manav Sivak, the brilliant founder of brilliant founder of Memorial Health, and finally Mehul Mehta, founder of Ferry Health. Fantastic. And finally, 10th, we're so excited to have a table at the National Medical Fellowships Gala on October 3rd. NMF helps underprivileged people go to med school. We're a huge fan of Michelin Davis and Derek Fish. Thrilled to see them honor leader, author, Dr. Moot Tomlinson, and also get to visit with world-class leader and board member Lloyd Dean. Finally, excited that we'll have some of the kids there too, Chloe Becker, Bobby Becker, and more. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. What a great pleasure this is to get to visit with so many people every day. Thank you for listening.